Hey there, it's Katie Jarvis with Managing the Mess. This week's video is going to focus a little bit more on the mess. We're in the last few weeks of school, and my focus is really on what can I do to clean and organize and prepare for next school year. Hey there, if we haven't met before, my name is Katie Jarvis. I'm a K-6 elementary art teacher, and I teach here at a Title I school just outside of Washington, D.C. We're currently standing in my very large storage room, which has also become a dumping ground. My music teacher is constantly threatening me to do an expose of sort of the mess behind managing the mess, because my closet usually looks like this or worse. I don't have any transition time between my classes, so I will often have things staged in here that I quickly pull out and then throw in something and then pull something else out for the next group. So it gets a little bit overwhelming. This is also kind of the hangout place for my daughter before and after school, and often other teacher kids will hang out in here too. So sometimes there are little crafts and projects. Teacher moms know that they don't always clean up, so not all of this mess is mine, is what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to bring you along and show you just some of the things I'm focused on this week, hopefully to motivate myself to get things done, because I know that you're watching. And this could be a video that you pop up on your smartboard and you watch along while you're organizing things in your room. Just hoping that it motivates you. If you've ever seen the Clean With Me videos, there is an actual genre where people watch videos of people like cleaning their home, and they see the other people cleaning their home, and then they start cleaning their home too. So it's a bit of a motivational thing, and I'm hoping it works both ways, that I get you the motivation and as well as sharing some of it with you. Take a little bit of video here so you can sort of see the space. There's some organization to this. I know where things are, but it definitely has gotten messy over time. My custodians are like the best around. They will not only sweep and clean this closet floor, they will wax this floor in the summer. So all the things that are down low need to find a home. And I'm definitely trying to break this down and make this a little bit more manageable for myself. So I think one of the first things that I'm going to tackle, gosh, I need to find the island. That's going to be on the list. But one of the first things I'm sort of motivated to do, because I feel like at one time I was organized, is all my printmaking ink. I feel like I've done this and then come in and thrown stuff down on the floor. So I'm going to sort all of those into some bins and get that back on the shelf, just as a quick win to start out here.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a...
So how I organized these was I put them into rainbow order and then just sorted them out by color. While they're all out of my closet, I'm going to take inventory of them. I have an editable inventory sheet. It's on my Teachers Pay Teachers, and it shows exactly what I order every year. So I'm going to go through and count any unopened tubes of ink. So if it's completely filled, never been used, I'm going to mark that down. Any that are like half used, I'm not going to count those. That way I know that I have a little bit extra. I do have a video about my printmaking. I set it up as centers, so students are all squirting ink and moving all around the room at the same time. So I do end up with a lot of like half open tubes. I think this looks like more than it really is, but I'm going to figure out how many do I have, how many do I need to order.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and have me in.
Next, I'm going to attempt to clean off this island area. I'm always asked if people are like designing a new art room, what would they want to put into it? Definitely like lots and lots and lots of storage, of course. But having an island in the middle of your space of your closet really helps. You have a spot and a surface that you can put your paper cutter and you can work at. It's wonderful. I've had it at 2 of the schools that I've been at, and it really was a nice thing.
can't believe someone like me is here with somebody like you. There's something about you and I know why. I'm gonna tell you what it is. It's in your smile and in your...
So I was cutting these white squares for our upcoming Ketchup and Pickle Day. The second to last week of school, we have a day where students can like finish up things so that I can grade them before the progress reports are due. And we use spin art machines. We tape these down to the machines, and then students just use markers to create designs. A part that I hate about cleaning is it just adds to more projects. This is paper that I always have ready to go. It's just cut in half, and I do a lot of projects at this size. I noticed a couple of colors are missing. So before I pack this up, I'm going to put like a trash bag around this when I'm done so it doesn't get dusty or faded for the summer. But before I do that, I want to cut some more paper and fill this up so it's ready to go next year when I pull it out. Well, this is embarrassing. I'm feeling like a very organized hoarder at the moment. I collect egg cartons throughout the year, and I use this with students when we are painting. So they're stored in various bins and boxes in my closet. So to get organized, I pulled them all out. I'm going to sort them by type. Some of them I'm going to cut and make them smaller so that they're all ready to go for the next school year.
I barely was walking. I've been trying harder all my life, cause I need to be perfect. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop. Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living love and wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop. I just give 200% every day cause I own it. I'm fighting all of my life, I'm bad and I know it. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. Ooh, I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop. Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living love and wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop. Summer days, they will be over soon. Nothing else could get me and you. Let's just sleep beneath the big blue moon. Yeah, yeah. Summer days, they will be over soon. Nothing else could be like me and you. Let's just stay beneath the big blue moon. Yeah, yeah. I can get it off.
I fully regret starting this project this afternoon because I'm only halfway finished. What I did was organize my class packs of yarn. And I buy these because you get just a variety of colors. It's just out of sheer laziness. But I don't use them out of these boxes. I put my yarn on the counter in these little drink containers from the Dollar Tree. And then students fish out the end of the yarn from where you would drink out of. So I ended up sorting these and organizing these by color to make it a little bit easier for when I'm looking in there and I am refilling them. So that's like blue and purple. I don't have a lot of blue left. I still need to organize all of the yarn that's like balls of yarn. A lot of them have been donated or they've been here forever and they're kind of dusty and gross. So this is why it's kind of a good idea to pull everything of one category out of your storage closet and force yourself to go through it, because now that it's all over the place, I really want to deal with it before I put it back into that closet. So we've made it to the weekend almost. It's Friday afternoon. I'm going to spend another half hour or so working on cleaning up this closet. I got a bunch of little things done this week, but it just doesn't have that dramatic after effect that I thought it might have, like you see on TV. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done.
A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me,